Well, I'm out at the car lot and it is icy out here, to say the least. A little slushy, I should say. But somebody's test driving the Lincoln right now. I decided not to do anything to it, just to go ahead and put some more gas in it, and drive it out here and just sell it like it is. Sell it cheap. Don't have to do anything. Cheap car. It runs good. It looks bad, but it runs good. So should be a good car for them. And well, we'll see if they buy it. All right, guys. What do y'all think about this one? So we sold the center cap missing there. We sold the Lincoln. We didn't do anything to it except for put gas in it, and sold it like it was without doing anything for right at $1,200. I probably could have cleaned it up, did some seats, but after all that, it wouldn't be worth it. So I just flipped it right like it was. I did go ahead and diagnose some other stuff for them. It needed what was that called? I'm sorry. It needed the intake. The plastic intake was cracked, which happens a lot on them Ford engines, Lincoln engines, whatever. So it needs a new intake. But for $1,200, I got them a good car, low miles and everything. But looking at this one, boy, it need some cleaning. But it's got some miles on it. Got this one for $850. It needs front brakes. Needs to be clean. The front brakes are just a little soft, I guess. They still work and everything. You can just tell it needs some new ones. So I checked them out. It does need new ones. And then also needs this regulator. This rolls up and down, but it'll fall off and get down, and then you got to hold it back up. So pretty good shape. Has electric start, automatic doors. Pretty basic van. It's got, it'll clean up nice. It's got this stuff going on with it. I don't know what I'll do with it yet. I'll probably leave it alone. But I'll get it cleaned up real nice. Change the brakes out. Put this window regulator in. And flip this for some money. And we'll see what we get. I'll keep you guys updated.